Hey guys, this is Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 1/25 scale real grade Crossbone Gundam X1. Alright, here is the box itself. Now I'm really excited to get this guy building. As you guys may or may not know, I am a huge fan of real grades. Well, not the complicated ones, but yeah, I think like real grades because of the size and the detail for a scale that's too small. And considering the Crossbone is like a small mobile suit, I'm pretty curious to see how this guy will turn out, especially in terms of the size and the quality of the kit. So let's go to unboxing. So yeah, that's the box art. Well, yeah, it's pretty cool. as you all know, real grades are pretty cool in terms of box art. So it's unboxing. So yeah, I just got this from the store today. Just came to the store today, and I quickly went to the store after my work and just get this. And oh man, I am really excited. Yes. On the side here, we have the details of the real grade, what the real grade that does, and then basically what this here is the Gundam Evolution project. Basically, it's their I guess to prepare for their 45th anniversary for 40th anniversary. The 40th anniversary for Gundam. So they're trying their best to make this guy kit as best they could before that the year comes. Basically saying that it's really detailed in terms of the kit itself, and it recreate all the details from what the models will look like in real life, and the advanced MS joint, which is basically okay. Unlike any older like regular real grade, these newer real grades are very similar to master grades. Instead of having like a pre-built inner frame, now they're most some of the parts now down to a few parts which are like on runners that are like pre-molded frames, and now from the newer real grades, you're building the frame rather than putting the armor on top of the pre-built frame. And on the side, this is what the kit looks like. Shredder box, with no panel, I guess the paneling. Yeah, I'm not sure, but it's what looks like shredder box. On the side here, we have the actions you can do with this kit. It basically has the anti-beam. I really like the ABC mantle. It's really cool. I shouldn't bought cloth for it, but I just haven't used that because I'll see what I can do really. Basically the weapons. Yeah, I really like that beam zamber and the shield effects. It looks pretty cool. In the back, more details there. It doesn't mention the price, but it's 2,500 if I'm not mistaken. Alright, let's get my knife open. Yeah, because you guys may not know, I changed my background, so it's not paper anymore. It's cloth. So that's best. I'm hoping this will be a good change for the good. Oops, I was just false falling. That's not good. Something. Right. Yeah, I apologize if it caused falling because I improvised the setup a little bit. But it's an unboxing. Open sesame. Alright, on the side here we have the available kits for the Crossbone line. You've got the heyargh F71, which I wish we should make real grade as it is possible. And then the Crossbone X1 real grade, and then these are what the kits available in heyargh form. The late Universal Century. Oh god. God damn it. Hold on, you move on, guys. And on the side we have the comparison between the heyargh and the real grade of Crossbone. Yep, that's pretty much it. Alright, let's go in the box. First back we have the marking stickers, which are it's not too much. That's interesting. I mean, there's a lot for these little details, but overall, not a lot. It's okay. Usually it's supposed to be like landscape with not portrait. Yeah, I guess. And we have the beam effect marks. I'm not sure if it'll go on backlight. I'll put annotation here so you guys if it goes on the backlight, we'll see how it goes. And in the back we have the ABC mantle. Next back we have the A plate, which is the multicolored runner. We've got the clear parts. We got the dark navy blue frame, the navy blue armor for like the chest and other stuff. Got the red, which is kind of a blood red rather than like a bright red I've seen in the heyargh. That's interesting. And you got the yellow parts, and then you got the advanced MS joint 14, which is no longer the whole skeleton of the kit. Is now it's mainly going on the chest and the core fighter. So that's interesting to see. Next we got the D plates, 2 D plates. So they're in that white. That goes on here. Oh, it's really small. I just realized that's really small. It's actually smaller than I expected. Alright, so got the legs, thighs, like it's on the armor. Stay here. Next we have the E plate, which is the some of the frame parts, the manipulators. The manipulators. You got the some of the small. They're really small. They're really small. So do be careful if you're building this thing. It's really small. You're easy to lose these parts. And in the back we have the C plate, which is it's a different color. This one's more kind of like off white with a little bit hint of yellow from what I'm seeing. Yeah, we'll get more armor parts. And the last side we got the F plate, which is again more frame parts, and then that's definitely the scissor anchor for the skirt, and yeah, more frame parts. All right, let's go on to the manual. Grab it. Yeah, well that's really this manual is pretty thick for a simple kit. That's really pretty. Yeah, that's a lot of parts to build. That's interesting. Yep, there's the parts count here. And that's the basic information for assembly, and telling you how you apply these marking stickers. You got how to cut out parts and so on and so forth. Yeah, and first we start the core fighter and tells you the details about the crossbow itself. So you build the core fighter, then you build the legs, then you build on the waist, then you build on the chest, the body, then you build the arms, and then you build the head. And then you put this way you combine to transform the core fighter to dock into the Gundam, and then you build the weapons, which are you get a fair amount, like, a lot of weapons in this kit, which is pretty interesting. Yeah, and then there's more stuff like the most gimmicks you can do with this kit. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the real grade Crossbone Gundam X1. Well, I will get this guy building as soon as I can. Hopefully by this next week, basically. So I'll try my best to get this guy building, and I will get you guys back up with the review. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.